Hi everyone, it's your girl Lady Vintage Bags, and today I'm going to show you my top 3 monogram vintage Louis Vuitton bags that you can still buy for under $500 US. So I'm going to be showing you 3 categories of bags. The first one is going to be a day to night bag, the second one is going to be a throw around crossbody bag, and the third one is going to be a tote bag, because that's the type of bag that every girl needs. Okay, so starting with the day to night bag. So introducing the Louis Vuitton Monogram Bordeaux 2-in-1 crossbody bag. Now it's 2-in-1 because you can actually remove the strap and make it a clutch bag. So how awesome is that? Now I do have an in-depth review on this bag, which I'll just link up here. So I'm just going to show you a brief overview. So you've got the vintage monogram here. You've got the treated leather and a beautiful gold logo there. When you open it up, it's a main compartment with a zippered compartment here and also a back slip pocket, because I know some of you really love this back slip pocket. I've got some mod shots to show you guys, but I've pretty much worn this bag anywhere from walking the dog during the day to attending weddings at night. It's so versatile. What I have is the GM size, but it also comes in a PM size for those who don't like bags so long. You really can't beat this for a vintage Louis Vuitton bag that has 2-in-1 function for under $500 US. Okay, so the next bag I'm going to show you is my throw around crossbody bag. So introducing the Louis Vuitton Sac Bandouliere. It's 30 centimeters across and it's also got that treated leather there. So no vachetta, meaning no need to worry about water stains. The beautiful thing of this bag is that it's got one main compartment here. You've got a slip pocket here and 2 slip pockets here. So you've got a little bit of built-in internal organization. The strap can be worn as either a shoulder bag or a crossbody. If you want to wear it on a shoulder bag, you can use this setting up here. Otherwise, as a crossbody, you've got 3 settings to choose from down here. And the strap wraps around the bag. And it even comes with a shoulder strap for comfort. Now I throw this around to the point where I use this as my aeroplane carry-on bag. I stuff it to the brim and then I even just shove it under the seat in front of me and use it as a footrest. And I don't even have to worry about damaging the bag. That's how versatile it is as a throw-around bag. So this is great for work, for mummies, for dog mummies, or people who just want a no fuss, no muss vintage Louis Vuitton bag. It's also really great for both females and males because it just goes with everyone. And finally, you can't go past having a vintage Louis Vuitton tote. So check this out. So this is the Sac Weekend PM. This beautiful tote comes with that vintage thick monogram, the treated leather. You've got a slip pocket at the front. You've got a slip pocket at the back. Incredibly, it comes with feet and a semi-hard base. It's not totally hard, but just enough to hold some structure. And unlike the Neverfull, it comes with a top zip. So how wonderful is that? It's completely leather lined and you also get a zippered compartment. Now it's got these rings for the strap. So if it gets really heavy, I even strap a crossbody strap to it. Just help me load it up and then wear it across the body, just to make it a bit more painless on my shoulders. It has rolled handles, kind of similar to the Speedy. Not great for shoulder wearing, but great for handheld. I'll just put up some mod shots here for you as well. And you can find this for under $500 US still. And I'll put my in-depth review video of this bag just here if you want to know more about it. So vintage Louis Vuitton handbags have gone up in price over the last few years, but you can still find really good styles and deals for under $500. So happy shopping, guys. Bye.